In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Otter AI password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to update your credentials with confidence. First, open your browser and head to otter.ai. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your settings. If you use a single sign-on option like Google, Apple, or Microsoft, remember that your password is managed by that provider, not by Otter, so you would change it there instead. Once you're on the Otter home screen, look to the top left and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu that leads to your personal controls. From there, choose account settings to enter the hub where your profile, preferences, and security options live. Inside account settings, go to the general section. This is where Otter groups basic account details and the security items you'll need. Next, click Edit. This switches the page into an editable mode so you can make changes safely without leaving the settings screen. Now select Password. You'll see fields for your current password, your new password, and a confirmation box. Start by typing your current password. This step verifies that it's really you making the change and prevents unauthorized updates. In the new password field, enter a strong, unique password. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Longer is better. Think passphrases you can remember but others can't guess. Avoid using personal details or passwords you've used on other sites. If your browser or password manager suggests a secure option, consider using it and save it right away. In the Confirm New Password field, retype the exact same new password. This double check prevents typos from locking you out. If the two entries don't match, you'll be prompted to correct them before moving on. When everything looks good, click Update. Otter will process the change and in most cases show a confirmation. If you see an error about the current password, carefully re-enter it. If you can't remember it, cancel and use the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page to reset via email before returning to these steps. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Update your saved login in any password manager or browser vault so autofill keeps working. Sign out on shared devices if you change the password there, and consider enabling additional security features if available. That's it, your Otter password is now updated and your account is more secure.